So in this video we're going to look at linear interpolation. Now what that is just an estimate of the median from a table of grouped frequencies. So here you can see we've got frequencies grouped from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And the frequency of each is just noted here on the right hand side. Now to find the median, to find the middle value, we're only going to be able to get an estimate because all the values are in that kind of range. So to find the estimate for the median using linear interpolation, I've got this formula here. So E subscript m, just estimate the median, equals L, which is the lower limit of the median class. So first of all, let's find the median class. So which position is it going to be in? Now, as these are frequencies, as we go along and add them all up, we'll get cumulative frequencies. So first of all, let's find a total. So 34 plus 52 is 86, plus 22 is 108, plus 12 is 120. So our total is 120. Now the median is going to be the middle value. So that's going to give us 120 plus 1 divided by 2. So it's going to be the 60th and a half position. So if I go along here and make a total, I've got the first 34 here. So inside here it goes up to 86. So my 60th position is going to be inside here somewhere, but I don't know whereabouts. So hence that's why we got this formula. So my lower limit of my median class, that's going to be 20. Because my values there range from 20 to 30. My n is my total number of all observations. So n is 120. So we've already worked that out. So we're well on our way. So back to the formula. So L is our lower limit. N is our total number of observations, which is 120, which is the total of all of the frequencies. We're going to subtract C. Now C is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So the preceding class is going to be this one, and its frequency there is 34. So that value for C is 34. Okay, then this numerator here we're going to divide by F. Now F is the frequency of the median position class. So this is our median position and its frequency is 52. And then we're going to multiply that by H, which is written down here, which is the range of the median position class. So median position class is here, and the range of that is 20 to 30, so that is just 10. So 20 to 30, 10 positions. So now we've got our values, it's just simply a case of plugging it all in to our formula. Now just one thing to note is here, number of observations divided by 2 is called the median is the halfway position. So basically that's n times a half because it's the median. So let's plug that all in. So L, lower limit of median class, that's 20. I'm going to add that to n over 2. So n is 120, total number of observations. So 120 divided by 2. Subtract C. C is the cumulative frequency of preceding class, which is 34. And then we divide all of that by F, which is the frequency of the median class position, which is 52. And then times all that by the range of the median class, which is 10. So now we've got all those values, we can just do our calculations on that and see where it takes us. So now I've got 20 plus 120 over 2 is 60, minus 34, divided by 52, and times all that by 10. Okay, simplifying that off, 20 plus 60 minus 34 is 26, divided by our 52 and times 10. Well, 26 over 52 is a half. Half times 10 is going to give me 5, so it's 20 plus 5. So hence 25. So the estimate for my median is 25, and that is our answer. Okay.